Hey guys, it's Alex, and today's video is the next installment of the Marvel series here on my channel. It's gonna be a pretty sad one because y'all haven't heard the news. Stan Lee has passed away. So this video is actually dedicated to Stan Lee, and the next Marvel series is gonna be the Fantastic Four. The reason why I chose the Fantastic Four for the video dedicated to Stan Lee is because the Fantastic Four was actually the first official Marvel comic. A lot of people think it's Captain America, which that was one of the first ones that Stan Lee wrote, but it wasn't a part of Marvel. The first official Marvel one was the Fantastic Four. It's when Stan Lee was about to give up writing comic books, but someone, I can't remember who, convinced him just to write one more. And so he wrote the Fantastic Four because he wanted to make it like a family, like the Fantastic Four was. And then he went on to create everything that we know today and love about Marvel. So that's why I chose the Fantastic Four for this video, and I hope it comes out as good as I am picturing it in my head. So thank you, Stan Lee, for everything that you've done for the Marvel series, for Marvel in general, for everything. And yeah, so let's just get right on to this video. That's the way we became the Marvel Bunch.
Hello, brother. Shut up!
I'm going to start with my eyebrows and base already on, since I feel like that's been a super repetitive thing. So I'm going to go do my eyebrows and my base off of camera, and then I'll be right back. First things first is I'm using the Urban Decay primer potion on my lids just to prime the eyes. And the reason why I'm using this one is because it works best with colors, and we're about to go in with a bunch of colors. And then I'm just using a shade that is close to my skin tone to just set that in so it's not super sticky. Then I'm taking this blue from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I love how this blue looks, and I'm using the blue because the Fantastic Four suits are blue, and so I'm pulling that element into the upper part of the eyelid here. And I'm just going in with multiple blues here just to deepen up the crease and really blend it out to get it how I like it. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Glitter Glue and just applying that onto my lid. And I'm just using this as a base to stick the silver. And I'm going in with the silver from a Juvia's Place palette that I have no idea what the name is, so it will be in the description. Then I realized that it was too like a blue silver, and I went in with this silver from the Morphe palette just to add in a little more silver instead of blue silver. Now I'm applying a thick winged eyeliner. You want it to be long, you want it to be thick, and you want it to be super precise. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking a light orange for the inner corner, a medium orange for the middle part of the lid, and then a dark red for the outer part, and winging it out. And this lower lash line is supposed to represent the colors with the Thing and also the Human Torch, which is why we are extending the red past the winged eyeliners to kind of represent the Human Torch. And then I'm just lining my eyes with a black eyeliner. This one's the best, it's by Kat Von D. Mascara. And now I'm just contouring my face. This is just normal contouring. I'm using the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Bronzer in the shade Medium Deep, which is not medium deep, by the way. It is not medium deep at all, but it's a really nice bronzer. And then I'm using a golden toned highlight, again kind of pushing off of the Human Torch and the Thing, more like how the winged eyeliner was pouring towards Mr. Fantastic with how far he can stretch. And then I'm just applying Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. I just wanted a really like neutral toned lip, just to kind of have the eyes the focus. And I thought this one was perfect. And then I'm just setting the face. Alright guys, and this is the finished look based off of the Fantastic Four. I pulled out multiple elements from the Fantastic Four, and I really love how this turned out, and I hope you guys do too. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And you can also hit the notification bell if you want to get notified whenever I upload a video. If you have any questions or comments or future video ideas, feel free to comment that down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Stanley, for everything that you have done to build up Marvel and everything, and just superheroes in general. And I'll catch you on the flip side.